Hey, sir, you have an outstanding IRS bill.
It's too early for this.
We need you to buy these gift cards in order to pay the IRS. But wait, you don't understand what's going to happen to you.
Look, guys, it's simple. If someone tells you to pay the IRS with gift cards, it's a scam.
But we need you...
Don't answer that, I'm winning!
No, it's my bank. They're saying my account's locked and they need my PIN number.
Wait, banks never ask that. If you give your PIN over the phone, you might as well wallpaper your room with cash. Why didn't you just use $1 bills?
Okay, these will come right off. It's just hot glue. The bank will take it back, right?
Okay. Let's just take this to the bank.
Careful, careful.
Oh no, something spilled over here.
Every day, people get scammed by texts, calls, and emails imitating their bank. That's phishing.
I love fishing.
No, Tim, not the kind with rainbow trout and good memories of Grandpa. This is bad guys tricking you into sharing your banking password or PIN. Just remember, banks never ask that.
Are people really that gullible?
Yes, Americans lose over $1 billion every year to these simple scams.
Citizens always falling for internet tricks.
Actually, people under 30 are more likely to become victims of identity theft from phishing.
Sorry. Typical millennials.
Remember, your bank will never contact you to ask for your password, PIN, or social.
I knew that.
What about this text? My debit card is locked?
My bank just called, but it's legit. They had the last 4 digits of my account. This email looks 100% real, and it has my bank's logo. If I click this link...
Everybody hold up. Tim, that link is a scam. It's safer to go straight to your bank's website.
That is one expensive text.
Mallory, just hang up and call your bank directly. Banks usually don't call you.
Who calls anybody?
Jade, that's a fake link that will steal your money. Use the bank's app instead.
You're so wise. Where were you when I got this bad tattoo in college?
That's on you. Just remember, identity thieves are trying to trick you into sharing your bank accounts. Banks never ask that. Think you can outsmart the scammer? Take the quiz and get more tips and tools at banksneveraskthat.com.
Narrators are super helpful.
I just learned so much.
The one thing you do not want to get is scammed.
Welcome aboard, and buckle up for our SafeCheck safety check.
To protect against fraud, be sure to use a permanent gel pen.
Please lower your tray table to completely fill in your check with no blank spaces.
Store your checks in a secure mailbox so they safely reach their destinations.
And pay digitally whenever possible to keep your money moving safely. Now you're ready for takeoff.
Always practice safe checks.
Hey, you still owe me $20. Just use that app.
Oh, that's right. But first I gotta send myself some money in a new account. The bank says mine got hacked.
Banks never ask you to send money to yourself.
No, this is legit. The bank even called me. They were super nice.
That's a scam. Call the number on the back of your card to be sure. If you fall for that, you might as well recycle your cash on garbage day. You know you owe me $20, right?
Worth every penny.
Hold my baby, I'm going in.
Ah, the great outdoors. Fresh air, getting away from it all. Except my bank. They want me to verify my username and password real quick.
Wait, banks never ask that.
Hold on, I just need to reply immediately or they'll freeze my account.
No, that's a scam. Just call your bank directly. If you text a PIN or password, you might as well be roasting s'mores over a cash fire. $100 bills, really?
I have expensive taste.
This is a really embarrassing TP fire.
You're the kind of girl I can share a joint checking account with.
Oh, okay.
I have to ask, what's your PIN?
Wait, what?
You can trust me. I work at your bank.
Banks never ask that. I'm out. What a scam.
Yeah, I've seen it all.
Wait, before you leave. click this link?
Give me his ravioli to go. And the breadsticks, too.
Where have you been?
I don't know what. Why? What's up?
Well, you did it again, sweetie, and I saved you again.
What'd I do this time?
I just got off the phone with Sergeant Schultz from the Texas State Highway Commission. He's got a warrant out for your arrest for unpaid toll charges.
What?
Yeah. He says you can either pay immediately or you can go to jail. Glenn, it's $1,800.
Cops, they don't call.
Well, he sounded just like, and he said paying gift cards.
That's fraud. That's gotta be fraud.
No, he sounded just like Marshall Dillon.
Yeah, whatever.
Well, he had your license number.
Yeah, it's fraud.
Well, then where have you been going on the toll road? That's what I want to know.
So, Gracie, tell me about this new man in your life.
Well, Vera, he just appeared on my email. Said he got it from the computer club. Knew all about me.
Oh, so he knew you were lonely?
We hit it off right away. He's a very nice man. Many emails later, we are in love.
Oh, well, that's great. What does he do?
Big time investment counselor. In fact, he has the inside information on a deal that will double overnight if I act fast. Can't talk about it, of course.
Of course. Have you seen him?
He sent a picture. He looks just like George Clooney. I sent him my picture too.
And how did he respond to that?
Well, he said if I wanted to invest, I had to send him gift cards.
Oh, Gracie, this is a scam. 101. You've got to get rid of him.
He even sounded like George.
Fraud, Gracie. Fraud.
Vera, do you know any single guys?
Get that, will you, Mom?
Hello. Yes, this is Mrs. Miller. Congratulations for what, sir?
Who is that, Mom?
It's a Mr. John Smith. Yes, go on, Mr. Smith. You're with the American Sweepstakes USA. And what? Oh my God, son, I've just won $100,000.
Wait a minute, Mom. I'm seeing a red flag here.
Yes, sir. that is my correct address. Oh, we can finally take one of those cruises. Yes, Mr. Smith, that is my birthday.
Scam City, Mom.
Oh, it's guaranteed. All I have to do is send our bank account information right away.
Fraud 101. You can hang up now.
Oh, but he sounds very authentic.
Say goodbye to Mr. Smith or whatever his name is.
Oh, he sounds just like John Wayne. Okay. Well, goodbye, Mr. Smith. Well, I guess the cruise is out.
How about a nice walk around the block?
Go to your room.
Isn't that your phone, George?
Oh, right. Sorry. Hello. Who?
You've got to help me, Grandpa.
What? Emily? Oh my gosh.
Oh, what is it?
It's Emily. She's in trouble.
Oh, put it on speaker.
Well, I'm in jail, and then don't tell Dad.
I just need the bail money right now. I promise I'll pay you back.
So, Emily, your voice is a little scratchy.
Well, it's this cold I've got right now. That's why I just...
Just don't worry about that. They just want the $1,800.
How am I supposed to do that?
They said that they're gonna send somebody over to pick it up, Grandpa.
Just put the cash in the bag and put it on the porch like they asked.
Money in a bag?
Money in a bag? It's a scam.
She's family.
She's a crook.
No, she's not. That's really Emily. She's family. We gotta help.
George, it's a scammer. Hang up.
Okay. Bye, Emily. Yeah, you're right.